Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. This video comes to you from a cornfield located in western Kentucky, where a brand new John Deere S7 800 combine is harvesting the crop. This machine is rated at 473 engine horsepower and features a 400 bushel grain tank. In this presentation, I would like to share the combine's production history, specifications, and list price tag, as well as taking viewers for a ride in the X9 cab to see the updated G5 command center and talk about the capabilities of the harvester. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this corn harvesting action. The John Deere S7 800 combine was produced in a limited production run for model year 2024 and will go into full production in 2025. It is part of the all-new John Deere S7 series of combines, which includes Class 6 up to Class 9 machines rated from 334 to 543 engine horsepower. They're manufactured in East Moline, Illinois, at the company's Harvester Works. The S7 800 is a Class 8 combine based on its horsepower. It's powered by a 13.6-liter, 830 cubic inch John Deere PowerTech engine rated at 473 horsepower. It can achieve with a power boost up to 540 horsepower when it encounters tough harvesting conditions. It is fitted with a 330-gallon diesel fuel tank in a 19.6-gallon diesel exhaust fluid tank for clean engine solutions. The combine's threshing system consists of a 55-inch wide feeder house. It's equipped with a 30-inch diameter, 123-inch long single rotor. The total cleaning area on the combine is 63.5 square feet. It's fitted with a 400 bushel grain tank that empties through a 28.5-foot unloading auger at 4.2 bushels per second. The combine weighs in at 49,141 pounds. According to JohnDeere.com, a model year 2024 S7 800 combine has a base list price of $784,552. The S7 800 combine working in this video is equipped with a John Deere CF12 folding corn head. It harvests 30 feet of 12-row 30-inch space corn and folds up to a narrow 16 feet for transport. According to the company's website, the corn head has a list price of $216,811.
basically what's happened is the farmer's gone out, he's planted his crop, we've gone in, we've loaded it in the operations center, and once we've done that, we've created a work plan for the fall. You know, its varieties are in here, and what it's done is it's downloaded the satellite imagery. So it's looking at the crop maps, trying to maintain premium optimized settings, I guess, what you're looking for. Trying to optimize the combine for most fuel efficiency, most grain output, and cleanliness of the crop.
Gotcha. That's pretty neat.
Well, this is the first round of corn. What we've done with it, we have cut some beans with it, and we've got some data already with this machine versus a same size machine, 780, which is currently in production, the S780, and we both cut 70 acres. Not only was when we let this run in full autonomy, not only was our machine cleaner, the samples come from the elevator, we cut more bushels, and with a 5-foot smaller head. They were running a 45-foot head, we were running a 40-foot hinge draper on this machine, and like I said, our output and everything was cleaner and more productive with a smaller head on the same acres.
Really? Okay.
It's kind of letting that guy that's a novice operator become a good operator, because once you get the machine set, it'll kind of maintain itself for you.
Yeah.
And you can feel it kind of getting slower as we're getting into heavier yield and a heavier crop mass, and then it'll speed itself back up, you know, as the crop gets thinner. And you'll notice that especially in beans. You know, when beans get really thin, it'll take off and try to maintain itself. This machine, along with the tractor we've got out here, we're demonstrating this machine sync also, where we can kind of turn this on, and if we fill the grain cart, we can nudge the tractor forward, backwards, side to side. And also in this machine, if you'll notice when we get done loading, on this machine it's got an adjustable spout and the cross auger shut off too, which is new.
Say it again.
The new C12F corn head.
Oh yeah.
It's got stock stompers on it and our active end defender, so it's folding obviously, so it's a pretty nice head to deal with, especially when you're moving up down some of our roads up here in Davis County. Of course, we're running Road Sense, which has the feelers down here you'll be able to see when we come out of it, which maintains on the road. We do have auto path option where if you plant, have a receiver on your planter, the combine will kind of know where the rows are, but this customer didn't have the auto path on his planter this year, so we're just running regular straight Road Sense.
I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field with this John Deere S7 800 harvesting corn. I would like to thank Wright Implement of Owensboro, Kentucky for arranging the opportunity to feature this combine. I would like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use John Deere combines on your farm. Tell me about the model that you operate and the crops that it harvests. If you have appreciated this presentation, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.